year ago to make an independent film. He's done it. He showed me the trailer the other night. He grabbed me in a restaurant. He said, "You got to see this." So he showed me the preview. It's terrific. Unfortunately, I have been given all my instructions. I have to leave the Seagram in about 15 minutes into the film, unfortunately. But just from seeing, okay, what we have here is a Tibetan Tarantino. And I love how much energy this guy has. It's just incredible. So this is your night, it's your movie, you've shared it with everyone else. Good luck.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Everybody, look here. To all my Tibetan brothers from everywhere around the world, those who see me on social media, to all the papas.
Tatari tukar ramas ho. Tatari dul mishi omar lagdo. Adi full resh. Ani kisi ra ya swil lang dena na tara digo sare. Swil magana ya thara resh ta. Adi full resh full. Namshi dire ro resh. Shawa sibsi ro ja. Mitu tukar so samade deshi cho.
Hello.
tukar yeje mege hago no do. 상가래 상가 뜨거지 저거 어디 일뭐 뜨거 라면 주스 대로 뜨거 라면 주스 이 맛이 이건 뭐도 이거 이 망망 놓을까? 어떤 이거 다 여기다. 왜 비군이 망부지래샤 그런 감정으로 어디 풀차수 아버지 때문에 차딘 어디서 다지 인도네시아 나가는 거지 있어래 니 그것도 참아 엘레자수
Ordensbüro 인간의 농의 시대나 이제는 주공의 세계를 시도해서 세다 도구의 도지시 recently. It has only been watched by hundreds of thousands of people, including our brothers and sisters abroad. And this is the Indian premiere. And to introduce the film, please join me in welcoming the director and man of the hour, Chairman Kimsala. Thank you. I'm not going to take a lot of time. So I'm going to speak in English. Firstly, thank you so much, Honorable Sinyola, for supporting and for being there and for exhibiting that unity is possible. I'm a complete Ramzan guy. Sinyola is the head of Umelang. And we work together. We're all Tibetans. Chogasun, Churut, Tama, Umelang, Ramzan, Tama. We are not a small community. We are a dwindling population. So it's utterly imperative and important for all of us to muster our powers, our strengths, our abilities, our talents, our skills, our resources. We work together and then we fight the Chinese through intelligence and through strategies. Because we have to stop being apologetic now. It is them they should be ashamed of. The Chinese, they pillaged our country. They took our country. They're ruining our natural resources. They call His Holiness a separatist, the greatest human being to ever live on this earth. How dare they? So we have to stop being apologetic and claim our country back in whatever means is possible. And this is my love letter to all the Tibetans inside Tibet, to the warriors, to every single Tibetan. I made this film for every single one of you. This is your film. Thank you so much. I also want to acknowledge, because I'm one of the Richard here on stage, please to say a few words. Richard. And then also our Honorable Chief Minister Pema Mandula, please, everybody give him a big round of applause. What an incredible young Chief Minister. Honestly, what an incredible young Chief Minister. Come on, please. Thank you so much.
This is one of the craziest men I've ever met. God bless him for being that crazy. You have to be crazy to make an independent film. This is something that's almost impossible.
This is your movie. I present to you Four Rivers Situated. Please stay after the film for Q&A. A bunch of my actors are here. Please stand. Take a bow, actors. Please. Right there. My co-producer and the author here. This is your movie. Four Rivers Situated.
또 비제 드레스 브라보 나이스
Thank you so much. Thank you. This is not our story. This is your story. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for my actors. Give it up, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. I want to thank each and every one of you for being here and sitting through this film. I have I've been
Whoa!
I've been a Tibetan activist for over 30 years. I've done a lot of work in America and Canada for our cause. I have never thought of any personal gains when it comes to Tibet. When it comes to Tibet, I'm a leaders that become to be like me, no. But we all Tibetans, we have to raise the standards of how we do things. I have Kambas in my team, actors. I have Uttam people. I have Amdo. I have Giluks. I have Sakyas, Nyemas, Gagyus, and Purples. I have Umelamba and Rantan people in my entire team. And I was the captain of the ship. And I made sure that everybody became like brothers for life. So, as Tibetans, and I see there's a lot of young people, you are the leaders you've been waiting for. Let that sink in. You are the leaders you have been waiting for. I heard of the word Macedonia here. When was the last time? When was the last time you said Macedonia from your mouth? When? It's been a while. Well, there was a time when Alexander the Great conquered half the world, and he was Macedonian. And all those little kingdoms that were conquered by Alexander never thought they would be free. History, rich culture. I want you all to be very proud to be a Tibetan. Very proud. Everybody, pull it to your mouth. And we don't have to be apologetic. It is the Chinese that should be apologetic. They conquered, they invaded our country. They pillaged our country. My assistant, Daniel, Vivek, everybody else, all the volunteers here today, volunteers, petitioner, thank you so much. All these young people from the town of Lochusilla, they came to my office 6 years ago in Darjeeling when I started working on the Warrior Productions in India. And they came as interns. This girl is the art director of the film. He's the assistant. He's the camera second assistant camera. And there's many more. Many more. So thank you so much. Now we'll open for questions. Can I give up the name? Here's the chair, Tibetina.
찼어.
Please come to stage. I will introduce you to this young guy. This guy is 25, 26 years old.
찼어. 더 지식으로 피자 찼어.
And he has not, but he is
차차수
Please try to be one of the next.
또 삐져서 저거 들려도 오래시다 앞에 버리 비자 가는 준실라다야 아 지주거리 비자 가는 준실라다 가네도 비자 때문에 지금 돼 풀 인제 지금 봐풀 인제 레인 봐 아, 가지 뭐 해도 되지, 가지 해야 되지. 그래, 로칭만도 하고 만들어 그래다. 그래, 다 스군데도 돌려야 자, 로드했다. 처음 맞아 오늘 로드했어. 말해. 처음 맞아 그래, 옛날시 들었던데. 다 도야 레드 봐, 랭가. 둠 랭가로 둠. ये दुम दवा जब शायद समझ खचे गांव दवा बजे जैसे शायद सरदा ते था दुम बचा ले दुम ये का जो दुम तो देश है वाओ तीका थाला खिचरो जी जोर